Hey, how's it going? It's Kawan Money Mayo. And look, you landed on this page because you heard that Nowsite has now got prospects and you want to see what it's all about. We're going to dive right in. Let's go. All right, so look, let's just dive right into this and get right to it because, I mean, it's a beautiful thing. And, we've already had Nowsite marketing, but we feel that, Nowsite prospects is actually probably going to do even better than marketing, and marketing has been great. But the reason why is because, you can have the best website. You can have, the best capture page. You can have the best marketing system, but it doesn't mean anything if you have nobody to show it to, right? And that's what Nowsite prospects pretty much conquers that task right there, where it's going to have you and leave you with people to actually talk to. Okay, and we're going to dive in today and show you this in real time. So yes, you already can see Nowsite's already been delivering leads to me in my niche, and that's relevant to my search criteria. So I'll show you what this actually looks like, okay, in actual real time, where we're going to actually go get a prospect. So right here you see it says they got a prospect for me, so I hit get prospect, and you can see here go one of the prospects that they have available for me. So these are the ones that we get monthly, right? But on top of that, I also have my prospecting where I get the prospect like this, and these are even more powerful. So I get to come over here, okay, and I go to my prospects. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to search for a prospect that's relevant to my niche, which is, as you can see, work from home, making money online, network marketing. Now, I actually did this earlier, which I'll go and show you after I do this, in other niches for other people, because I wanted them to see that it works for anything, not just for making money online or working from home, but it can be plumbing, it could be for painting, it could be for cryptocurrency, it could be for anything that's out there already on the web, and then it'll in turn go through a list of 2 billion people, okay, 2 billion prospects, and pull out the relevant things and bring them to you. So let's just go and dive in and show you what this looks like. So I already got my interests and skills working from home. You can see I can pick location. I'm not going to pick location because I don't want to narrow it down to just a location. That's the beauty of being an online marketer. Online is your world, right? Not just a specific state or country. So I'm going to leave that one blank. Excuse me. I'm not going to put no city, but I'm going to put United States. So I got the United States in there. As far as degrees and majors, not worried about that. Not worried about a company. Now, a company would be strategic. Let's say if I was launching a similar company, right? Like we're doing this new travel company. Maybe I want to go after all the old World Venture people. So I could put World Ventures right there and then potentially target and get some people from World Ventures, right? And then in turn, now I can market my new travel company that's coming out to them. So awesome. And we can definitely do that. But we're going to leave that alone because I want to get the most, and we're going to hit get prospect. Now we're going to show you just how thorough, okay, how detailed the prospect that you get. So it says we got Scott Allen. All right. So we're going to save and view the new contact. All right. So let's go see why this contact was given to us. Now, as you can see right now, we have his name. We have an email, we have a phone number, we have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have LinkedIn. That's already quite a bit of information, right? But let's enhance this, okay? So you see right here, we get to enhance this contact. I want to enhance this contact, and let's go show you what this will do. So already we got the interests and hobbies. So you see his interest, he likes social. Look at, now you tell me how good this is. Remember, we're looking for somebody who's interested in working from home and network marketing. So look what we have right here. We have entrepreneurship, which is great. You want somebody that likes to work and be in business for themselves. But look right here, social media. So you're not going to be scared to be on social media posting and things like that. But then look at MLM, perfect. Social networking, perfect. Network marketing, perfect. Direct selling, excellent. This is the multi-level marketing again down here spelled out. This is exactly the person we're looking at. Now, we're looking for. Now let's look for these skill sets. Now you see why I'm saying this is so much better than a lead. A lead usually leads you to nowhere, right? But a phone number, if you're lucky, and an email address. But with this, you're actually nailing down and getting the type of interest that you want out of a person. Now look, there's skill sets. Social media marketing, okay? Online marketing, social networking, marketing. This is exactly the type of person that we're looking for. So now this is the type of person we're looking for. Let's go ahead and enhance this contact. So we hit enhance the contact. And what enhancing the contact does, right, it dives deep and we get even deeper into some information. So we're going to do a personality report next. But first, let's just see where we're at with just this alone. Look to the left. Now we got Scott's picture. So now we can put a picture with this, right? We got even more information over here. We can see the industry he's in is marketing and advertising. Okay, he's from Florida. He's between the age of 67, 77. And we just got some more information. We can see that let's see, in his household. Okay, so it doesn't look like he's a homeowner. Says, but financially, said cash value balance household estimate less than 5,000. So household income estimate between 30 and 39,000. Now this is important, right? Because now, let's say I was pushing a high ticket opportunity. I need to know if a person can even afford when I'm pushing. So if this person says, well, look, they're not even making that much a year, then I know not to push that way. Maybe give them something else, right? So we can see his work in education. Okay, neighborhood info. I mean, we getting some good stuff. Homeowner 59. So we're getting to see some things, right? But watch this. We're going to get even deeper because you want to know how to be able to sell to this person. How do I sell to Scott? All right. So I'll show you. You come over here. You see what it says, analyze the personality. So now we're going to analyze the personality. Okay. Now, when you do a personal analysis, what makes it even bigger and better is the fact that now we're going to come here and we're going to, and it's been enhanced. So this is an instant, right? Because, you know, the company now is going to dive deeper and then deliver it to us. But let me go show you what this looks like for the ones I've already done. Okay, so you see this one's in progress. Let's go to the ones that say success. You see it say success? That means I went even further. I dove even deeper, okay? And went and got that information. So let's go with Tim Ellison. So as you can see, you know, information just like the other one, okay? So you're going to get that information out the gate. But then when you dive deeper and you do a personal analysis, right, then you're going to get this information. Now look at this right here. Look how deep this gets. It's telling you the behaviors of Tim. It's telling you what to do if you need to email him, meeting, his stressors, his energizer, speaking. And let's just go through some real fast to show you that this isn't just some scraped up lead off of the internet, off of LinkedIn or something that you've seen, you know, some of them products do. No, this isn't that. And we're going to show you just how much this isn't that. So look, it says behaviors. Keep the pitch short, direct, and casual with them. Don't bring in unnecessary information. Instead, focus on exactly what is most relevant to him and his ambitions. Okay, that's pretty detailed. And it says, Tim may naturally prioritize personal career advancement over job security, working with a sense of urgency, motivating and driving others to action. That's good to know, right? Okay, what about emailing? Tim responds best to those that are similarly casual and friendly and will most likely prioritize the people that show enthusiasm for their work. Be sure to keep messaging engaging and optimistic. Okay, then it says, when emailing Tim, use a direct but friendly introduction using abbreviations and shorteners where appropriate. Keep the message focused. So this lets you know, okay, man, I need to keep it focused. I need to be on point. I don't need to be drifting off. And, you know, you see what, do you see how this could be helpful? Again, let's keep going. It says with a meeting, get to the point quickly with him. Don't drag out a meeting for longer than is needed. Instead, confidently discuss the points from start and remain focused throughout. When meeting with Tim, crack a few jokes. Send a bullet list with anything he might need to prepare and avoid too much formality. Now, see, that's important to know because this is like if you was talking to me, honestly, because I don't have a lot of time to be sitting there going through some long presentation or no, get to the point. I'm a very busy person. I got a lot going on, a lot on my plate. So the quicker you get to the point, the quicker we can get to it and the better off we all going to be, right? In my eyes, in my book. So it's good to know that because if you didn't know that, you might become some long, drawn out presentation. You know, you've been on them. You know, they want to tell you how they started and then all the way up until how they ended and everything in between. You ain't got to deal with that if you know that that's not the type of person you're talking to. Stressors. Okay, Tim may feel drained by unnecessary strict plans that don't allow wiggle room. May enjoy working at his own pace, will he likely grow bored if he need follow and specifics to steps. Tim most stressed by slow drawn out events, that's me, over planning, feeling held back by process. Okay, energizers. Tim is most motivated by leading others, opportunities to advance, winning others people over. So it says when speaking with Tim, share a compelling story. Let him take the lead and project boldness. How powerful is this? Okay. When working with Tim, don't be afraid to take risks, implement good ideas quickly, maintain a fast work pace. Would you agree that that's already great right there? Right there, you would say, okay, I kind of know how to respond to this person. This is perfect. This is the perfect amount of information. Now I'm ready to dive in. But let's go a little bit further. Look right here where it says sales tactics. So now it's even showing you how to sell to Tim. So look, it says when booking a meeting, how to get Tim to book a meeting. Use strong, positive language. Get a time on the books in the very near future to keep the ball rolling. Show enthusiasm and excitement to get started. This happens because Tim is fast-paced people. He's a fast-paced person who likely won't slow down pace to meet with someone else unless they see real value in the potential. They are goal-orientated, so you won't give him a reason to set aside time for you. By making it clear that the meeting will be worth his time, you can help get at least a few minutes of him. Then it says, try this. When do you have 15 minutes to talk on Friday? This will completely change your team's effectiveness for the better. What time works best for you tomorrow? So you see, it's even telling you, like, okay, look, you don't know what to say. No problem. Say this. It says pain points. These pain points will most impact Tim. Being micromanaged, ineffectiveness process, and mundane tasks. This happens because they are likely to feel frustrated by anything that prevents them from reaching their goals quickly, like mundane tasks, distractions, etc. By calling these out and giving them a clear explanation of how the product will fix these issues, they will likely want to get started quickly. And it says, try this. Again, I know you're having some problems with efficiency, but this product will help your team feel more focused and will reduce the number of time-sucking tasks. This will put you ahead of the task to reaching your goals. You're doing a lot, but X habits will slow you down. We're taking care of that for you. Again, powerful. Giving you the exact line. You can just copy and paste that. Boom, put it over. Reach out to them on Facebook. Put it in Messenger. You see? Then it even says giving the pitch. How many times you guys start studying right there? Oh, I don't know what to do. It says when giving the pitch to Tim, show him the competitive edge that he'll have with your product. Showcase big, bold success from other customers that they have had. And speak with an energetic and engaging tone. Fair enough. Fair enough. Show them the benefits. Get some testimonials. I'm pretty sure the company has those. And then be energetic like I'm being with y'all right now. Simple. It says try this. We can offer you the best price out there. You're seeing X results now. With this, you can nearly double that from the start. Your competition has seen a growth of X amount percentage over the last 2 months. Then you can top that. You know now how to respond to somebody. Some people, you got to be into your ego. Other people, not so much. But this is going to let you know exactly what type of person you're dealing with so that you can, in turn, properly market to them. So as you can see, this goes on and on and on, from presentations, how to build rapport. You know what? I'll just do a quick stop like that. Y'all can screenshot, and that way you can go through it on your own time because it gets that deep. There it goes again, screenshot. Look at it on your own time. You see what I mean? Because we got so much information that getting pulled back. Look at all this urgency and pace. Again, go ahead and screenshot it. Reach out and you're going to go back and read it on your own time. Handling competition, creating urgency, discussing money. There it goes. Reach out on your own time. Let's see what it says about discussing money, though. Okay, that's right up my alley. So let's see. It says when discussing money, show pricing model through goal-oriented, inspiring graphics as opposed to data-heavy numbers. Speak in goal-centered, big picture terms. Explain what the price will bring as far as reaching goals and fastering innovation. So, like I said, this right here makes you comfortable with reaching out to a prospect. Yes or no? And now you see the power in prospects versus leads. Matter of fact, I'm going to do another video. Prospect versus leads. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Prospects versus leads. That's the next video. So you're going to see the next video go up right now. It's going to call prospects versus leads. And we're going to really break it down what the difference is because it's a big difference. Okay. And now it's quality over quantity. Even though they're giving you 100 a month, I like the fact that they give them to you, drip feed them to you 10 at a time, a day. Because that way you don't go around getting 100 leads at once and then trying to reach out to 100 people and then end up ultimately reaching out to no one. Because it becomes over intimidating right at that point. We ain't got to worry about that. 10 people, reach out to them. We're going to do another video showing you how to reach out to these leads, prospects, right? We're going to show you how to reach out to your prospect and get the most out of it. But I just wanted to show you right now, as we was going, just how powerful that these are in itself, okay? Just how much you're getting back from these leads, just what you can expect from using the Nowsite leads. And right now, it's a better time to start. $47 a month. $47 a month. You can bundle it with marketing and get it for 87. But if you feel like, oh man, you know what? I want to put the horse before the cart this time, right? Because sometimes marketing might feel like the cart before the horse because, man, like I said, I got these beautiful pages, but I ain't got nobody to promote them to yet. No problem. No problem. We got you covered. How about we go in reverse? How about we get all your people, all right, lined up, and now we'll give you marketing to start off. Or you could be like me, you just want to hit the ground running right out the gate, get the most out of the situation. And if that's the case, then you just get both for $87. Whatever it is, do what's right for you. And you can do so by hitting the link below and going to getmoneylikeaboss.com. All right. Or if you got questions, you know I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions that you have. If you haven't already done so, okay, smash that subscribe button. Also hit the like bell. And that way that you get notified when I do these videos and you don't miss out. I know you've been looking at that QR code up there the whole time, right? Well, hey, that's a list to all my passive income opportunities. If you ever want to see and you want to see what my top ones are, then hey, want to see if it's the right fit for you, then go ahead and scan that with your phone and it'll take you right to it. Or you'll see below a number that you can text as well. Just text money to 702-553-3326. I appreciate you. Till the next video, have a blessed day.